Hi, I'm Chris from Owl Pest Control, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly replace the bulbs on that 20 watt fly killer machine. So these are 10 watts 13.5-inch bulbs, and to change them it's extremely fast. You just switch off the machine, you unplug it, then you turn it on its back, and the grill comes very easily. It's on a spring, so you just pull it and bring it up, and that frees the access to the bulbs. So to remove the bulb, you do a quarter turn and they pop out. 1, 2, it's like 2 clicks and they pop out. So I put the new bulbs there. You have to press a little bit on the side because they're on springs. See, I push that out, quarter turn, and then I bring back the grid down and I push it down until it comes into those little rails there. And now the new bulbs are ready. You can replug and turn it back on.